Hi there. This video is going to be talking about managing the folders in your course and also in adding course materials, different types of activities that you can add to your course page. What you're looking at is my course page for astronomy meteorology, my first hour class, and you'll see that what I've done is I've added folders here. I've chosen this second time around to organize my materials in order of 2-week blocks of time. And so every 2 weeks I'm creating a folder that contains all the different class activities we do during that amount of time. I am archiving them down here as time goes to try to minimize how much clutter the kids experience. Up here at the top I have a folder for essential course materials. This is where I keep my syllabus. It's where I put some of the links that I will go back to over and over and over throughout the class. So if you'd like to see what I have here, if we click on quarter 4, week 6-7, this is what you would see. And in this I have a number of different types of activities. I have a link that I put in here. These symbols right here, these are pages or text blocks. This is a discussion that I have active right now. And this is the activity that started off the current week. This is something that they're working on over the course of the week. We just did this today, tomorrow. This is going to be on tap. And I'll probably add maybe one other activity in here yet to go here for the week. How do I do all this? I'm going to click this Add Material button up here, and you get this pull-down menu. If I want to add a folder, I can pick this option right here. That's going to pull up a box. I can name the folder and I can write a short description of what's going to be in the folder. If I do something with a time date, typically that's going to be an assignment, a test or quiz, a discussion. All of those have the option of having time dates on them. And so if you do that, they will also show up in your calendar. They will also show up on the right-hand side of your course page. And I think we are going to talk about, I know in the Schoology training session you're going to be looking at how we add assignments, how do we do tests and quizzes, and there will be videos on that also. The one that I use probably most frequently is this text block, or to add a page. You'll see that if you ever look through my course material. A media album, I can add pictures. I can show you an example of that later. The other thing that you have the ability to do is to select the options button here. And when you do that, you get these choices to come down. If I want to rearrange this, for example, I like having whatever I'm working on closer to the top of the page when kids open it. It seems like they have an easier time finding it. And so you can click reorder here and you'll get a series of arrows to show up, and then you can drag and place assignments where you want to place them. You can also click this button here if you want to mark for student completion as students complete something. Auto arrange, I believe, is for an alphabetical listing of what you have. So maybe that's something that would be appropriate. But in the training course, we will be going through how to add materials into your course, and during the work time, hopefully you're going to have a lot of practice in being able to do that. So, thank you.